After watching this video, you will easily create a group chat on Snapchat. First of all, open Snapchat application. Now click on the profile icon given above. Click on the setting icon given above. Scroll down. Tap on I need help. Tap on your search bar and search for group chat. Read this article carefully and go back. Now click on the chat icon in the bottom corner. To start a group chat, tap the chat icon at the bottom of the chat screen. And select your friends with whom you want to group chat. I will choose only my 3 friends. Now tap on chat with group. Now change the name by clicking on the pencil icon here. Now send any message. Press and hold on a chat to see who's read it, saved it and more. When group members open a snap, their name appears below it in chat.